Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I am nowhere near ready to decorate for fall, but I just wanted to give you guys some fall inspiration for the upcoming fall season. I am going to be taking different videos and just kind of giving you guys some ideas on how you can decorate your home for fall this year. So I hope that you guys are inspired and that you are getting ready to decorate for fall as well. I am super excited. So let's go ahead and get into these videos.
They're smiling at me as so many times before.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is going to be a really good one. I am going to be decorating my foyer for the fall. This is phase one. My foyer is not finished. I am still furnishing it and doing some things, but this is just phase one and I'm just going to be decorating it for the fall. I'm going to be decorating my hutch and little area next to my hutch that I put together. So here I'm just showing you guys how I got some prints off of the computer, and I printed it off of Pinterest, and then I actually got the pictures from Pinterest, and then I printed it off of Walmart.com and got the prints and everything. And so now I'm just putting it here in my thrifted frame, and every season I change this frame out depending on the season, and I just love it so much. The prints actually was so inexpensive. I got 5 prints for under $10, and so I was able to get this together, and I just love the way that it looks. It is so festive. For fall, I change it out. For Christmas, I change it out. For winter, for those, spring and summer season, I always change this frame out. And I just absolutely love the way that it looks. And for next to nothing, you can have a beautiful frame with some beautiful pictures and make it into a gallery wall or, whatever. In this case, I am going to be wiping down my hutch and I am going to be using it to decorate my hutch. So when I decorate my hutch, I kind of start with my larger pieces. And if I'm going to be doing pictures or any type of wall art, I start with those first and then so on and so forth. So I hope that you guys are inspired by this video. Yes, this is all of my fall stems that I have, and y'all, it really wasn't enough. I literally ran out of fall decor because I don't know what happened. I think I am still missing some fall decor, but I have to go out and I do have to go and buy some new ones because I literally ran out of fall decor while doing my this video and also my dining room tree, which you're going to be seeing in the next week's video. But that's neither here nor there. I hope that you guys enjoy this video and enjoy the music.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this fall decorate with me, and I hope that you were able to get some inspiration and hopefully get motivated to decorate your home for fall. Make it festive, make it whatever you want it to be, whatever colors you want to use, theme you want to go for. My theme for this year is Autumn in New York, and I am just loving it so far, you guys. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.
A significant light, just where it was needed.